Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In today's video you will find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and Stochastic Rsi are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the IOTA hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the upside with around 4.1% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 1.27. However, the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could remain stable or the price will dip below it with the current price of around 1.26. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 1.24. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Jumping to the hourly Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 50 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 1.24, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA, that is at 1.34, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 1.23. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Jumping to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, the Stochastic Rsi currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 100 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 1.07, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA, that is at 1.3, could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is above the daily ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 1.25. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Moving to the daily Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.